Place of supply in special cases. This article outlines special rules for determining the place of supply of services. These rules apply in certain scenarios where the regular rule under Article 30, place of supply being the supplier's residence, does not apply. Instead, the place of supply is determined based on the nature of the service and the location of the recipient or activity. 1. Services supplied to a tax-registered recipient in an implementing state. If services are provided to a recipient of services who has a place of residence in an implementing state, and if the recipient is registered for tax in that implementing state, then the place of supply shall be considered to be the place of residence of the recipient of services, and not the supplier. 2. Services supplied to a UAE business by a non-resident supplier. If services are supplied to a business established in the UAE, having a place of residence in the UAE, and if the supplier of the services does not have a place of residence in the UAE, then the place of supply shall be the UAE, i.e., the location of the recipient business. 3. Services performed directly on goods. For services performed directly on goods, such as installation, repair, or maintenance of goods supplied by someone else, the place of supply shall be the place where the services are physically performed. 4. Supply of means of transport to non-taxable lessees. If means of transport, example, vehicles, boats, or aircraft, are supplied to a lessee who is not a taxable person in the UAE, and does not have a tax registration number, TRN, in an implementing state, then the place of supply shall be the location where the means of transport is placed at the disposal of the lessee. 5. Restaurant, hotel, and catering services. For the supply of restaurant services, hotel accommodation, and food and drink catering services, the place of supply shall be the place where the service is physically provided, the actual location of the restaurant, hotel, or catering service. 6. Cultural, artistic, sporting, and educational services. For the supply of cultural services, artistic services, sporting services, educational services, or any other similar services, the place of supply shall be the place where the services are physically performed, i.e., the event or activity location. 7. Real estate-related services. For the supply of real estate-related services, such as leasing, selling, or property management services, as further specified in the executive regulation, the place of supply shall be the place where the relevant real estate is physically located. 8. Transportation services and transport-related services. For the supply of transportation services or transport-related services, example, handling, loading, unloading, logistics support, the place of supply shall be the place where the transportation starts. The executive regulation will further specify rules if the transportation service involves multiple stops across different locations or jurisdictions. For more details, contact us.